Nickel Element Video Project by Grace Lee. This is the periodic table of elements. The element circled is nickel. This is the element nickel. This is the symbol for nickel on the periodic table. General information about nickel. The atomic number is 28. The atomic mass is 58.6934. The density of nickel is 8.912 grams per centimeters cubed. The phase of nickel at room temperature is a solid. The element classification of nickel on the periodic table is a metal. Additional information about nickel. The boiling point of nickel is 3,186 Kelvin or 2,913 degrees Celsius. The melting point of nickel is 1,728 Kelvin, 1,455 degrees Celsius. The name derives from the German nickel, which means old Nick, is another name for the devil. German miners could not retrieve copper from copper ore and blamed a mischievous sprite, nickel. Kupfernickel, which is German for copper nickel, is based on the myth of miners unable to retrieve the copper. Another derivation of the name is from the mineral nickelite, which is how nickel was discovered. The history of nickel. It was discovered by Swedish chemist Axel Fredrik Cronstedt and the mineral nickelite in 1751. Most of the world's supply of nickel is mined in Sudbury region of Ontario, Canada. Some people believe that this large deposit of nickel ore is a result of an ancient meteor impact. This is a picture of Axel Fredrik Cronstedt. Below are two pictures of nickel mines in Sudbury region of Ontario, Canada. Some uses for nickel are that it gives glass a green color. It can be used to make wire, it's used in coins, and it's used in batteries. Uses of nickel as an alloy. It improves strength and resistance to corrosion. It can be used for armor plates, bank vaults, machine parts, and pipes for desalination plants. And it can also be used to make alnico magnets. Some interesting facts about nickel. The alnico magnets, which is short for aluminum, nickel, and copper, which is the alloy that is used to make the magnet. Copper nickel is that the coin nickel is made from has been used since the silver shortage during the American Civil War. The end. Credits. Producer, Grace Lee. Director, Grace Lee. Voice, Grace Lee. Costume Director, Grace Lee. Art Design, Grace Lee. Researcher, Grace Lee. Sound Engineer, Grace Lee. Creative Design, Grace Lee.